Let me show you how to weave in the end for the adjustable ring, because this is very important that you do it correctly so that it doesn't come undone. When weaving in the tail of an adjustable ring, it's very important you not only just circle around where the adjustable ring is because it starts to open. Can you see that? You want to make sure that you're also weaving in your ends within the post of the stitches you've created whenever possible. Go ahead and take your bend tip tapestry needle. Once you have your needle, pinch your yarn around the eye of the needle and wiggle it into place. Now, I will go ahead and go through the stitches that you did create within the adjustable ring and give it a good tug. Now, I want you to go ahead and working up the actual stitches through the post and through the same color as the yarn you're weaving in, you want to make sure that you are threading your tail vertically as well. So I went up that post. I'm going to go down this one. I will work up this one. By taking your yarn through this path, you are ensuring that your tail has a long way to work through before it can actually come undone. I like to make sure that the tail is brought back to the start once I've woven in through all of the posts that I feel it needs to be in, and give it a good snip. Now, that is not coming undone. You can see there at the start it was starting to come undone. Now it is not at all. Now you know how to weave in your tail for an adjustable ring.
Everything you need to know about knitting or crochet can be found right here on the Marley Bird YouTube channel. Learn with Marley Bird. Visit youtube.com/Marley Bird.